We spend our whole lives trying to control what's outside us, the people, the news, the noise. But the one place we never learn to manage is the few inches inside our own skull. Today we fix that. Hi and welcome. This isn't a video about religion, it's about something simpler, the mind and how to make peace with it. Because calmness isn't a personality trait, it's not something you're born with or without. Calmness is a habit, and like any habit, it can be built, one small repetition at a time. Right now, your mind is probably doing what it always does, jumping from one thought to the next, a memory, a worry, a plan, a regret. This isn't a flaw, it's just untrained. Think of the mind like a muscle that's never been asked to rest. It only knows how to run. Spiritual traditions across every culture discovered the same truth thousands of years ago. You don't fight the mind into silence. You invite it into stillness, gently, again and again, until stillness becomes familiar. That's the whole secret, not force, repetition. So how do you actually build this habit? 3 small steps. 1. Anchor it to something you already do. Right after you wake up, before you touch your phone, sit for 60 seconds. Just breathe. That's it. 2. Make it laughably small. Don't aim for 30 minutes of meditation on day 1. Aim for 1 minute. A habit that's too big gets skipped. A habit that's small enough survives. 3. Notice, don't judge. When your mind wanders, and it will, don't scold yourself. Just notice. I drifted, and gently come back. That single act, noticing and returning, is the practice. It's not a side effect, it's the whole exercise. Do this daily, and in a few weeks something shifts. Calm stops being a place you visit, it becomes a place you live from. Here's what no one tells you about calmness. It's not the absence of problems, it's the presence of space between what happens to you and how you react. That space is where your real power lives, and every quiet minute you practice is you slowly building that space. So today, just try the 1-minute version. Not perfect, not long, just real. If this helped you slow down even a little, subscribe, and let's build this habit together, one breath at a time. See you in the next one.